shifter in. Braided lines for the power steering. All the fuses and stuff back there. Time to bring her back to life one time. Real quick and easy. Got her all washed up. Alright, I'm finally done. Just did a few changes. I have mounted this one right here, down below. I actually ended up just putting a whole harness inside of the car. Just dumped the whole harness inside of there with no reason to have it outside in the engine bay. So I put all that through the firewall. It looks good. So, like I said, I would start it. Well, I started previously. I'm not sure what order I'm posting videos in. I'm just gonna post them. I'm focusing more on my mobile detailing. So, I don't know. I might get back into building motors because that's pretty good money too. The LS swaps. Just depends on how I'm feeling. This one need a tune bad. It's kind of bad at cranking when it cranks, and then if you hit the gas, sometimes it'll stall or some crap like that. But I drove it over from the other side. Once it started and it's driving, it's fine. Just starting issues and crap like that. Here, let me see real quick. See if I can show you. It's gonna be loud. It's gonna be crappy because I got a crappy phone, but whatever. See, I don't know what it started already. So sometimes it's a first hit, sometimes it don't.
That sound good?
Huh?
Sound good?
It's all good. Alright, got her in the sun. Took her out the alley. Now you can really see. Baby looking good.